Good morning, guys. Happy Friday. I wanted to show you really quick how to use this online comic maker that you're using in class today. So today is October 2nd. We are working on First Chapter Fridays. After you listen to your First Chapter Friday from Ms. Lent, you have an assignment to get creative and use an online storyboard or comic maker to illustrate a moment from your book. You can see my examples here, and I'm going to click this link to Pixton and just show you real fast how it works. There are a couple of ways you can log in. You can click for students and log in that way. Or at the top in the upper right, you can click go here for Classic Pixton. And it sort of walks you through the login process. So you're doing this on your own. And then you would log in, and I think there's an option to log in with Google. So it's pretty easy. Yep, just click that sign in with Google button and then log in with your school account. If you do Pixton the other way, it's pretty much the same. So go to Classic Pixton, and then, and I don't even know if you have to log in, but if you do, I think it lets you log in with Google. And so you would just create your comic using these tools. The only difference between the two is the type of graphics that you get. So if you look at my two examples, the one on the left was made with Pixton Student, the one on the right was made with Classic Pixton. And there's different like content packs available to you. So that is just how you use Pixton. If you run into trouble, you can shoot me an email or you can ask Ms. Holmes. But otherwise, I hope y'all have a wonderful Friday and a good weekend.